Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to Blessed channel. In this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency, how to make money from crypto airdrop or mining. Yes, we also talk about trading, futures and spot trading. Yes, we give out free signal. Yes, so if you want to be part of us, you can join our social media platform so that you can be part of us. Yes, I'll be leaving the link in the description and comment section. You can join us, want to be part of us and make money from sports or futures trading. Yeah, so in this video, I'll be teaching us how to trade futures. Yes, I'll be using our Bybit. I'll be using our Bybit and show us how to trade futures. Yes. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more. Give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so I'll be using Bybit to show us how to trade future. Yeah, so whenever the signal drop or whenever you see any signal from, you will learn in this video how you can trade futures. Yes, we're going to talk about sports and so many other things, but in this video we're going to focus in this video is on how to trade future on any exchange. You'll be using Bybit. You can use the same method with any exchange, but in this video we are using Bybit exchange. So first of all, before you can trade, ensure you found your account, your Bybit account. If you're using Bybit, ensure you found it with at least minimum of $5 or $10. Yes, minimum of $5 or $10. You found it, then you are good to go. Whenever the signal drop, you can trade. All right. So if you want to trade, once you just found your account, let's say if you are using Bybit or any exchange, so go to asset here. Immediately you found your account, you
receive subscribe.
The USDT. You see it under found in here. So in trading, whether sports or future, you have to move it from this found to unified trading. Yes. So how to move it? You have to click on this future. You click on transfer. You're going to move it from founding to unified trading account. Yeah, before you can trade. Let's say I want to trade with $20. Okay, I'll just put $20 here. So I'm moving down. I'm moving from founding to my unified trading account. Okay, confirm. All right. Okay, so let me check now. If you can see now, it's on unified trading now. This is the one we are going to use to trade. Yes, this way you see or this way you move the coin or any USDT you want to use to trade. This is where you move it to. Now the next thing, you have to click on trade here. You have to click on trade. If it is on future, you bring it back to, if it is on spot, you bring it to futures here. Yes, let me see. Let's say this is a signal here. Yes, let's say this is a signal here. This is a signal, and you have to read whenever we drop signal, anywhere you get it for, you must have to read the instruction. Yes, this signal now is we have to short it. We are predicting it that this coin to drop. Yes, to drop down. We are predicting it that it should drop. The coin should drop. Now, you can see the entry here from the entry zone or entry. You have to enter it from 0.116 to 0.35 to 0.112850. This is the entry. So you have to take note of this. This is your take profit or target here. This is your take profit. So let's go and check it now. Alright, so you check here, click on this and change it to, you're going to look for, what is the name of this? It's called hook. Okay, you come here and click on hook. Don't forget, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more, and like and share it to your friends. Okay, so it's hook. We click on, type in hook here. Alright, so you can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. Alright, our prediction is, we are predicting it to go down, not to pump. We are predicting the hook to go down. Yes, so let me check it again. The entry zones one, I think we are still in the entry zone. 1141. Okay, we are still in the entry zone. All right, so the next thing you want to see like this, you have to click on this here. Click on this. After that, so you can see where there is isolated here. If yours is not isolated, you ensure it's unisolated. Yes, or maybe our next video I will explain what the isolated cross and portfolio and all of this meant for. But for you now, I suggest you how to use your isolated. This is your leverage here. You can use we don't use for you as a beginner now, you have to use at least 5 to 10 leverage. The more you increase your leverage, the more you gain your profit, and the more you are increasing it, that is more your lose. I mean, the more if you are going loose, you'll be losing your money. That's why you don't use high leverage. You can increase to 100 or 50 leverage, but as you increase it, it's also when you are making lose, you'll be making a lot of lose. Yes, that's why we don't use for a beginner, you don't use high leverage for a start. You have to start from 5x to 10x leverage. You get. So maybe our next video I will explain more what leverage is all about. Yes. So sorry. Alright, so the next thing, ensure you put that at 5 or 10 leverage here. So if you don't know how to set it, you can click on this. If your own is not on this, click on this customize. You can select it here. Yes, we are only select 10 as that's leverage. We are using only 10. Alright, okay, so on 10 already. And also this one, ensure it's also on market. Yes, ensure this is on market, because you are going to enter the market, the current market. Maybe our next video also I will explain what all this one is all about. Yes, but I don't want this video to be too long, so I want to focus in this video just on market. Get. So that's why I need to subscribe to this channel for more video, how to trade future, how to use all of this. So subscribe to our channel for more. So we're using the market. So this one now, the order value, you have to volume this. So for you to get your order value, you can he said that you times your this thing, times your capital. That is my capital now. You times it with my leverage 10 here, 20 times 10 here. It will give you, that's what you put it here, or just draw this to the end here. That is how you do it. You get. Okay, so that you times your capital with your leverage, that is 10, you put it here, or just draw it like this. You can see I can see what I'm doing. All right, so now you have to click on this again. Click on this. You're going to set, sorry, let me show you again. So you have to click on this, then click on this plus sign and set your stop loss and take profits. Yes, so click on this plus sign here. Now the instructions say that the instructions say short. We have to short it down. We are shorting it. We are predicting it that it should lose value. It should go down. You get. All right. So you can see the target here. Target. You can see all the targets here. You can choose any target you want here. You can choose any target you want. So maybe I will choose this third one, 0.105475. So I'll put it here, and again when you are here, ensure you click on short here. So I was seeing, make sure you are following the instruction so that you don't go and lose all your money. We are on short here. So the target here, I'm going to put you can put it here. Take profit triggered by ROI. This is where you put your target. I was saying I will put this third one here, 0.10 0.105475 55475. Okay, can't type this again. All right, you can't put it down again. You can leave it like this. Then your stop loss, that is when you reach, in case it's not going as we are predicting in or as you predicted, this stop loss will help you it will stop it automatically, even though you're not online. This stop loss will help you to this stop loss and take profit to help you to minimize your risk. Like this one now, we take this is our take profit, even though you're not online and you reach this place here. Even though you're not online and you reach this, it will stop automatically. It will close the trade will close itself automatically. You understand? That's why we are setting all this to minimize our risk. Even also this stop loss, when you are going loose and you reach to this this point, this number we're going to put it, the trade will close automatically. You get. All right, so we're going to put our stop loss. Okay, our stop loss, you can see stop loss here, 0.12. Yeah, this is the stop loss, 0.12 074 0.074. Okay, we can write that one again. So this is the stop loss, our stop loss. Then confirm. All right, this is our stop loss. So okay, I'm already late. This signal now, I'm already late. Now I'm going loose now, but I'm just showing us how to trade. That's why I'm using this. I'm entering this signal late already. All right, so in case we drop any signal, where you see any signal from, you just follow the entry. Yes, you can follow the entry. Ensure you follow the entry so that you will not lose your money. Yes, so okay. So we have set everything now. So the next thing for us now is for us to just to enter trade now. For us to enter trade now, we predict short, right? Now we are going to click on this short. After all that, this is where you are going to confirm it. You are going to click on this short here, then confirm. Now it has started reading already. You can see this is where you will see your loss. When you are seeing this ready here, you are going loose already. When you are seeing your green, you are making profit. You can see here, you are even making profit already. You can see, But whenever you are seeing plus red or this thing, we are already making lose already. But when you are making profit, this one will turn to blue. You see your profit. You can also see it here under position here. When you click this, you can see the profit. So for my loss, you can see the loss here. So if you want to save it, you can save it. Let's say you click here. You click here. This is the loss now. If I want to save it, I can save it on my phone. All right. So this is how to trade futures. This is how to trade futures. I'm going loss already. This is how to trade. I'm going low because I didn't enter this trade on time. You get. So you have to leave it. Whenever you are seeing this, so I was saying this is your loss here. You get. So even though you are not online, those stop loss and or take profit will help you to minimize your risk. Yes. So let's say if I'm making profit already, I'll just come here. This is close. This is where you close it. You can see close by here. This is where you close. In case you're not online, you just come back. You want to close your trade, you go back here. If it is here, you click here. See this close by here. You click on it and close your trade. You need to close this now. So this is how to close. This is how to close. Just click on this close by. You confirm it and close it. You understand? Yes. So this is how to trade future using Bybit or any exchange. You can apply this on any exchange. You get. Yes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, and share it to your friends. And also we live in our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel in the description and comment section. You can join us if you want to be getting our signal for free. You can join us. Yes. All right. Let me just go and check this thing. Okay. Let me just close it now. I'm going loss already. Already lost. Okay. Losing money already. So when I want to close, if I want to close, I'll just click on this and close it. Yes, this is how to close it. Okay, you can see that my $20 is on $18 already because I didn't enter the trade on time. Yes, so they deduct me already. So this is how to trade futures trading. Like as I was saying, ensure you engage on the signal immediately you drop. Ensure you drop it immediately so that you know trade late and miss or lose your money. Ensure you enter it on time. Yes. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.